Turn on the car?
Yeah.
God, those are brighter now.
Yeah. Right, you're ready to go whenever, Scott.
TSS?
Yeah.
Shut it off?
Yep.
Yeah, that's not.
Yeah. Good job.
Yeah, potentially, but the issue is like,
No, I have one, thanks.
you can't just go up there and straight up
Callum?
for it now.
Callum, stick it time.
Do you think you can book it for 4 nights and then have the travel time basically do it?
As in fine.
Let's go!
I don't know how it works.
You really took off there, mate.
Yeah, that wasn't full.
The rear wheels are spinning.
It wasn't full.
How much power is it set up to?
It's 100 Newton meters.
Really?
70 kilowatts.
Yeah.
Jesus.
When you're closer to it, it looks full.
That was exciting. I like that.
Wait, so did we not?
I like it. It was nice.
Yeah. First try.
Thank you.
First try.
How much throttle was it?
Oh, really?
At the start?
I can't tell where the end is if I didn't reach it, but I think probably
Press it now and the car's off.
Do you know what?
it was probably like 60 or 70, I don't know.
60, yeah.
It could have been near full, but I
I
can't.
mean,
Yeah.
you can spin the rear tyres, they're new as well, so they're bold.
No, but
so-
yeah,
Oh, that's
guys,
good.
you still have the
Yeah,
sticker
true.
on them.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that might be it.
Right. Could you...
This is also yours. Okay. Let's give it to Ben Shelley from our vehicle dynamics.
Sorry, sorry.
That's okay.
The social media comes first.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Eddie, you got the other ones back?
I'll get my glossy fingernails in it.
Yeah, yeah. This is the last one.
Engineer fingernails. Yeah,
Ready?
great. Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
When does
Ready?
Come on, dude.
Oh, practice. Do you want to start practice?
Well done, guys. We had like
Let's
one
go.
at the start today.
Right.